Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade pepper jelly. This delightful condiment is surprisingly simple to create and perfect for adding a sweet and spicy kick to your meals. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients and preparing them carefully. Then, we will move on to the cooking and canning process, ensuring a delicious and safe product you can enjoy for months. For our pepper jelly, precision in preparation is key. You will need about 2 cups of finely diced bell peppers, which can be a mix of colors for visual appeal. Add 1/2 cup of your preferred hot peppers, like jalapenos or habaneros, for that signature heat. Combine these with 1 1/2 cups of apple cider vinegar in a large pot. Now, let's get cooking. Bring your pepper and vinegar mixture to a rolling boil and let it cook for 10 minutes. This helps soften the peppers and infuse the flavors. Next, stir in 5 cups of granulated sugar until it is completely dissolved. Finally, add 1 pouch of liquid pectin and bring it back to a vigorous boil for exactly 1 minute to activate the setting agent. The final step is canning your delicious pepper jelly. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, ensuring you leave 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids and bands, then process them in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This creates a vacuum seal, allowing you to store your homemade pepper jelly for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.